going on, guys? There's Caden on the Ferris, and here comes Bud, big old Great Dane. He lives over there. Anyways, hey, are you peeing? Oh, look at those sacks. Look at that sack. Well, he's got a huge nut bag, don't he? What are you doing? Look at that another man's ball. Not a man, it's a dog. Anyways. Yeah, so he's doing good on these mowers, man. Oh, okay. So we're going to trim this umbrella tree right here, guys. We need to come up a little ways. Look at that. Boy's making me proud. Doing good out there. Doing good. See, he's blowing the grass into the ground, or back into the yard. Very important when you're out here doing these kind of streets. Very good. Alright, this guy's almost done. Just a little bit more, rake it up, and then that's it. That'll be all she wrote. Oh, yeah. Hey, buddy. There you go. He knows where his home is. Hold on. That's pretty much it on that umbrella tree, guys. See, it turned out really good. See if we can get you guys a little bit closer real quick. We have a lot of landscaping to do at this property, but we're going to do a little bit each week. I've been cutting this property over 3 years. I see this looks really good. They wanted about chest height for me so we can get the mower underneath it. So this thing grows really fast in the springtime. Oh, does this thing bloom like crazy. It's either spring or fall time. It's only one time, that's it. And it's just gorgeous. Anyways, so we'll rake all that up and that'll be done. What we're going to do next is, whenever you use your hedge trimmers, you know, keeping them clean is so important for them to have long life and cut good, you know. So you want to inspect your blades every now and then. If you got any huge chips and stuff, I know there's ways people can sharpen the blades. I haven't learned how to do that yet. When I do, I'll share that with you guys. But right now, all I'm going to do is give it a little bit of WD-40, and then that's going to be it. You know, I'll crank it up, let it run in between the teeth a little bit, and that's it. Wipe it down. I've tried other brands, Stihls and Echoes, and you know, they're all about the same. You know, they're all good products, but I've been most happy with the WD-40 because of its properties that, you know, help repel moisture and water. Now I'm going to go full throttle on the trigger and then let go, and you'll know it's nice, clean, and lubed when it keeps going several passes on its own until it completely stops. That's pretty good. So we'll leave it right there where the teeth are spread out. That way it doesn't collect moisture or gum up with all the, you know, stuff, sap and things that want to stick together. So whenever you're not using your guide, see, these are so smooth here because I keep it clean. Look at that. See how clean that is? I mean, that's pretty good, you know. And that's all I use, WD-40. I don't use anything else. That's all I've used since day one that I've had this hedge trimmer attachment. So, and when I had it running, and then I would turn it sideways, let it run, I'm trying to work that fluid down in there. And same thing down in here. So you just wipe all the excess off. Some's going to remain, and that's okay. That's what you want. Just wipe off the excess. And you want to leave, like I said, you want to leave your blade here in this position to where they're staggered. That way they can breathe and they don't get stuck on each other. Because I've had some where I would clean them and then not think about it and just put it away, and you know, the blade would be on top of each other, and I would literally have to bang it or something to get it to move because it's so gummed up. But since that's when using other brands, and I just told you the brands I use, so using the WD-40 for me, my experience has been phenomenal. Plus the stuff goes a lot further. Anyways, guys, that's about it for the short little video clip. We're gonna get some more out to you guys. I'm Kevin with Texas Veteran Power Outdoors, and remember, your grass is our business.